Okay, so Cardano 88 staking now supported by the Trust Wallet. I know you like the Trust Wallet. MetaMask now is supported on the Trust Wallet. Let's break this down. Cardano, let's go. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. And you are watching the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Now, Trust Wallet, it's available with Cardano 88. Now, it's now supported the Cardano 88 staking in a Tuesday, well, actually on a Tuesday's tweet. And so far, the new staking option is available only for Android devices. Trust Wallet says it will add support on iOS, which is Apple, all the Apple phone, Apple devices, in the near future. After selecting 88 token and clicking the stake button in their app, users will have to pick their preferred validator in order to start the staking process. Now, Trust Wallet currently manages thousands of cryptocurrencies across 70 blockchains. Now, the wallet acquired by Binance is just big, guys, the largest crypto exchange that we have, back in August of 2018, which was the crypto giant first public acquisition. Now, just in November, Trust Wallet introduced a browser extension that can be downloaded in Chrome, Google Chrome, and Opera. And then Cardano introduced Proof of Stake to the popular network with the launch of Shelly hard fork back in 2020, July of 2020, okay? And then as reported, Binance US started supporting Cardano staking in early September, and then Binance enabled staking for 88 token in early 2021. The big news, Cardano staking is now supported by Trust Wallet. That's really good for all your Cardano holders out there as Cardano continue to expand its business and its reach. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. And you are watching the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next video.